you are converting, you have to copy paste. How I am copying paste, you observe it. Okay, right. I asked you to create one project. The project name is nothing but bank transaction. I am opening. Open the Eclipse. While opening, select your workspace where you are working. So I am working with 9 AM Core Java 151. I am working. Select it. Click on launch. Whatever the existing workspace is there, that is on. If workspace is not available, new workspace is created. Here I had two programs to type it for practice purpose. One is employee, yesterday static import. I asked you to convert this bank demo bank.java into packages. I asked to take the project name as bank transaction. Click on file, new, project, go for Java, select Java project, click on next. Here bank transaction, I've taken it as bank transaction. Click on finish. Any window is open, click on no. This is your project here, bank transaction. Under this project, I asked you to go with P1, P2, P3. How many packages now? 3 packages are there. So create 3 packages, you create. Right click on SRC, new, package. Package name you take it as P1. Under SRC, new, package. Package name you take it as P2. Under SRC, new, take one package. Package name is P3. Like this, I created 3 packages. Any module info is there, you delete it. Right click and delete it. Any module info comes. That module info will be trained separately to you. Okay, right. Now under P1 here, under P1, I want you to create withdraw class. I want to create. So like this, right click on P1, new, and class. Class name is withdraw. Click on finish. So in this withdraw, I must write the code. Whenever I want to see the maximum screen, I am double clicking on this tab like this. So this one. Here code I want it. Whenever I want a code already there. No need to type it. Open your edit plus, you open it. Open the edit plus. Here demo bank is there. Open it. Here withdraw class is there. Inside this class, here one method is there, no? Right. Copy that. Copy and paste here. Have to paste it. But whenever you take a method here, that should be declared with what now? Public. Yesterday I given notes on public, no? Right. Public means visible within the project. Right. Class public and method also public. This class is under P1. That's the point. Click on file and save. That. The first one I copied or not now? Go with the second one. What is the second one now? Deposit. Whenever I want to copy the deposit, close this. Here one cancel button is there, no? Close on this close button, it will be closed. Under P2, I must create deposit. Right click on P2, new, class. So deposit, click on finish. So this is one class. Deposit is one class. So inside this class now, I want code. Deposit code available now here, right? Copy this method. copy the method and paste here like this. Whenever the method is copied, you must declare it as what now? Public. You have to display like this. Click on save. Now under P2, I took deposit. So close this. Under P1, withdraw came. Under P2, deposit came. Demo purpose. Can I keep both under same package? You can keep it. No issue. But for practice purpose, I given this model. Under P3, I want demo bank. Main class I want. Demo bank I want it. So right click on P3. Right click on P3. New and class. Class name is demo bank. So it is a main class anyway. Main class, you have to tick public static void main, but I'm copy pasting. No, their main method is there. I'm going to copy it. Click on finish. This is main. Into this main class, I'm going to copy. Sir, main class. This is main method available now. From here to here, it is a main method only. From here to here, it is a main method. Copy and paste here. It is pasted. See, there are almost 80 lines came or not now, right? Now here some errors are coming. So scanner error, withdraw error, deposit error, and so on. Why error means you must import them. Yes or no? Na? So import java dot util dot scanner dot scanner. Other one, import p1 dot withdraw. Import p2 dot deposit. Whenever you imported, error will go. Observe this or not now? Error will go. That's the point. So this is the program. Just whether you are able to copy them or not, I given an assignment. So run the program. Close. Whenever you want to run the program, sir, open the main class. You have to open the main class. This main class you should run. Click on run and run. Or you have a button here. Run button is there. Can you see the green mark here now? Click on this run button. You can click it. So here it will ask, enter the pin number. It will ask 1, 2, 3. Invalid pin number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin number do not exist. It's coming there or not now? I entered correctly. Enter the withdraw. I entered withdraw 1200. Answer will come. The same program only you are running here, but you are in position to convert that program into packages or not. That is yesterday's practice. All of you understood how I copied, right? That's one practice. The same way you copy addition, subtraction, multiplication. How many of you done that second assignment? Raise your hands, right? So you have to sit in front of the system and do some work daily related to your career. Some work you have to do. So writing one program or seeing one program or reading one program or writing something that is related to your career. So hope you will be busy throughout the day, but spend some 1 hour, 1.5 hour time regarding your career. Means you came to Amirpet for career only. Career means Java. Java means core Java. Core Java related, at least one program you should type daily. So yesterday's assignment is converting your old program into package form. Okay, right? By seeing this format what I use now, same thing you follow for the second one. You try it. This one I'll copy today. Once again, the program will be copied to you. This one I typed it. I'll copy that once again. Here under withdraw, I'll copy the withdraw class. Under deposit, I'll copy the deposit class. Whatever I typed here. Close all. So point. So what is today's class means? Today's class is I am creating packages using IDE Eclipse. I given 2 days time, means day before yesterday and yesterday, 2 days time I given to type that a package flavor, right? The time what I given to you completed. What is the advantage of IDEs? Means Eclipse or NetBeans or whatever it may be. What are its advantages? Make it here. Advantage of IDEs. Advantage of IDE. IDE means what now? Integrated development environment. So what is the advantage of IDE? Right. Look here. We can generate fast source code, and which is error free code. Means maximum errors you can resolve while typing only. Means maximum fast codes will come out. Advantage of IDE is we can generate fast source code, and which is error free code. Means while you're typing only error will be there, you can correct it and go forward. Right. First advantage is we can generate fast source code, and which is compilation error. You can see error free code, which is error free code. We can generate fast source code, and which is error free code. And the second advantage is, right, auto compilation is available. Means whenever I type the program, compilation also completed automatically. Auto compilation process. Second advantage is through IDEs, auto compilation process is performed. Means automatically compilation completed, dot class files will come. Sir, I want to see the dot class files. See there. Go to our workspace. D drive. In the D drive you had current running data. In current running data 9 AM here. Can you see 9 AM 151? Under this, I created 3 projects. Bank transaction, employee app, static import. 3 applications I created under this 9 AM 51 I created. Open one application, open it. That is bank transaction. What I typed just now, you open it here. Whenever I open it now, there are 2 folders available. One is bin, one is SRC. SRC means source code. .java files will be there. Open it. Under SRC, how many packages are there now? P1, P2, P3. Open P1, .java file will be there. Can you see .java file? Under P1, .java file. Under P2, .java file. Under P3, .java file. Means here SRC is holding source code. .java files are available. Sir, where is the .class files available now? Where is the .class files came now? Under bin. Can you see bin here? Right. Auto generated .class files will come under bin. Open bin. Bin means .class file. Under this, open P1. Can you see one .class file here? Class file available in the bin now. Withdraw .class file came. Deposit .class file came, and demo bank .class file came. Means .class files are auto generated. What is the second advantage now? Sir, auto compilation process. Make it auto compilation process is performed through IDEs. through IDEs. Right. Right. Third advantage is reflection. Auto reflection means the Java library will be shown to you. When you are typing it, it will show it. Auto reflection of Java library available in IDE means whenever I type it, it shows the reflections. So what you are looking for, it will be giving it shows the libraries to you. System dot, you are looking for what? Out dot, you are looking for what? Means it shows a reflection directly. It helps the code writer to identify what he needed. So that no need to by heart and no need to remember. IDs will show the reflections to you, right? Make it auto reflection of Java library. Auto reflection of Java library is available in IDEs. So the environment will be very much user friendly, will be there for us. So you can type very fastly, you can type it. So everybody should practice these IDEs, at least Eclipse, everybody should practice. The point. Why I written these notes today means I given a time to you. To yesterday, you have to open it. Right. First day I not given the notes on public. Just I typed a program and I stopped. So I given 2 days practical time to you to see that Eclipse. Who are watching that Eclipse automatically, that experience you have been felt, we feel it. That experience I written there. Auto compilation available, reflections available, code also very fastly I am typing, sir. This is my experience by yesterday. It is advantage. Got it right now. Last one. Creating packages using through THROU through command prompt. Creating packages through command prompt. Through command prompt. Right. After I are creating package through IDE Eclipse, now let us create package by using command prompt. One command will be there for you like this. For this, so here demo 151 is there here. So here I'll create one folder. I will take one project, I will take it. One project. User app I am taking. So let me create one folder, user app. I am calling it as a project. So I want to do with the command prompt. I want to do with the command prompt. Whenever I am doing with the command prompt, I must create this project manually. So I must create this project manually. Means go to any drive and create one folder. Under demo 151, I am creating one folder. Manually I am creating one folder. Folder name is user app. I created. One folder I created as user app. I created. D drive means step one. Step one. Create project. Create project folder manually in any drive. Create project folder manually in any drive. Means create one folder. You are not using Eclipse. Eclipse is easy only. So create project folder manually in any drive. Any drive means C drive, D drive, anywhere you can create. So I created one folder here. Write this in D drive, demo 151. I created one project folder as a user app. I created. Create project folder manually in any drive. You have to create it. Yesterday's practice is Eclipse. Today's practice is console. First one I can give a console, but console looks very hard. So first I must make the student as easy. So I given a easy format. Why easy format? When all market will use that format only. I given that format. But this format also you should know. For knowledge purpose, you must know. How you are going to do with the command prompt also you must know. Knowledge purpose. But in a practical point of view, we never use console form. We use ID form only. Okay, right. So I created one folder. Now, step 2. Now take one program and type it. Take one program and type it. Means open text editors. Text editor means maybe Notepad or Edit Plus. You type it. Open text editor. Text editor. Maybe Notepad or Edit Plus. And type the program. Open text editor and type the program. Whatever the programs, you can type them. Whatever the programs, you can type them. Open text editor and type the programs. See there, I am typing the program. Observe it. I open one text editor. This is a text editor. I open. Daily opening one Edit Plus, no? Right. Open text editor. There, under demo 151, you had user app or not now? You go to user app here and type one program like this. Some subclass only. User, you type it. User, whenever you are typing it, some username will be there. Password will be there. Password. To load the data, we had object reference variable. 3 ways are there, no? To load the data, you can load with constructor or object reference variable or setter method. I am using normally here. Void get user. I am taking. Also, system dot out dot println user details. User details. System dot out dot println username, that is uname. Now system dot out dot println, this is password. We had P word, you had it. But our concept is today, the class should be under one package. Yes or no? Na? So, I am taking package P1, I am taking. The class should be under one package, means manually you are typing here, package P1. What are the rules now? The class should be public. And the variables must be public. And the method must be public. It's a concept. All of you understood this? Right. So manually you are writing package name. You are writing. Now save this program under project folder. Save this program under project folder. Open text editor and type the programs. And after typing the programs, make it. Step 3. Save the programs. Save the programs in project folder. Save the programs in project folder. You have to save it. Save the programs in project folder. You have to save it. Save the programs in project folder. You have to save it. I am saving the program. Observe it. Sir, click on File, Save. Save the program in project folder, user app. And the class name is user.java. Class name I took user, no? User.java. Click on Save. So here, sir, here we saved user.java. We saved the program in the project folder. We saved the program. In project folder, we saved the program. So see there, user app Java file saved here. All of you understood up to now? Right. Like this. Take one more program, you take it. How many programs are there that you must take it? Sir, I need a main class. No, sir. I'll go for main class. Click on File, New, and Java. Main class, no. Main class is demo user. I will take main class. In this main class, I must write import. Import java dot util dot scanner. I must write. Here I want user also, no. For that, import p1 dot user and create object here. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Actually, any resource open, you have to close it. I introduced s dot close no yesterday, right? Whenever you open it, you must close it in the last. Actually, in the last line is s dot to close. Here, system dot out dot println. Here, enter the username. What you observed here now? Everything I am typing manually. Their auto reflection will come or not now. Enter the user name. You have to enter it. Whenever I want to access user name now, I must create object for user now first here. So user some OB equal to new user. I created. You can access now. How you will access now? Sir, OB dot uname is equal to s dot next line. Repeat it. System dot out dot println. Enter the password. Enter the password. The password. Now OB dot password is equal to s dot next line. Like it. Username, password. So you must access correctly here. Username and password you accessed. So after this one, this class also must be under one package. You have tried the package or not now? Package what now? P2. Right. Now class must be public no here. You must write public. The point. Now, again, this class is under P2. All of you understood this coding now. Now save the program under project folder. Under project folder, you save it. What is the project name? Sorry, class name now, demo user. So demo user dot Java. I saved the program. Demo user Java file, user Java file, both dot Java files only they are. So they are under here. Sir, we created demo user dot Java. Both I saved under project folder user app. Now you have to compile. Now you have to compile it. Up to now, packages not created. Packages means folders not created. Just you are typing the program. Whenever I compile the program, then the package will come. Up now, package not entered. Now you have to compile the program. Make it. Step 4. What you done? Step 1, creating one folder. Nothing but project folder. Step 2, type the programs and save the programs under project folder. Now step 4 is compile. Compile the programs as follows. Compile the programs as follows. Syntax. Compile the programs in project folder. I forget it. In project folder as follows. Compile the programs in project folder as follows. The syntax is, you know now what is a compilation command? Java C followed by here new thing -d dot class name dot Java. That's a new thing. Whenever the package is there, you must compile it as Java C -d dot class name dot Java. Right. Look here. Whenever I compile this program under project folder, see, I'm doing it out. Observe it. Sir, project folder means user app. No, sir. In this user app, 2 Java files are there. No. This Java files I must compile. Here, I'll type it as CMD. I will type it. Now, command prompt opened in the project folder. Yes or no? Na? So here I'll type Java C -d. -d means according to compilation, -d means create package. -d means create package. Create package means create folder. Dot means what? Belongs to. What is the class name now? User dot Java. The meaning, compile user dot Java file and create one folder and load that dot class file as a member of that folder. So create one package and compile the program and save that compilation file under the package. That is -d means package. According to our operating system, folder. You can say folder or package. See there. Here, folder not available. Now folder will come. P1 folder will come. See there, P1 folder will come here. Can you see P1 folder? Who created folder now? Compiler created folder. Compiler created folders are packages. Now inside what is there, sir? Means dot class file is there. Can you see the dot class files inside? Right. So under P1, dot class file came. Not only syntax. Java C means compile it. While compilation, create package. And compile the program and make that dot class file as a member of a package. That's the meaning actually. Sir, how it is creating package means here P1 is there no? When the user app is there, here P1 is there or not now? It is creating the package and loading the dot class file. That is manual. Now repeat it once again. For which one now? Demo user. Next one is there or now? No. Demo user means one more folder. P2 will be created. One more. Can you see P2? Right. So open it, dot class file. Now P1 is holding user dot class file. P2 is holding demo user dot class file. That is another package. This is another package. You are importing. This is manual. All of you understood manual? Right. Now you have to execute the program. Whenever you want to execute the program, make it step 5. Execute the program in project folder. Project folder as follows. Syntax Java followed by package name P2 dot package name dot class name. Package name dot class name. You are compiling which class, the class belongs to which package, you must give the information. So example, the program what we taken, you have to execute Java demo user no. The demo user belongs to P1 or P2 or P2. P2 dot demo user. You must write. Then the answer will come. P2 dot demo user. You must write. So manual is easier, Eclipse is easier. That only. Understand? You must practice Eclipse only, but manually they'll ask a question also for you in interview. Do you know the commands how to create one package? So you must say that package. Nobody will use manual. All are today tools and ID is only very high. But in the course curriculum, you must know that also. Once you practice once. Because they'll ask in the interview, what is the command? So let me execute the program. See there, Java followed by what now? P2 dot demo user. Username now, nit.v mju672. Answer not there. Huh? Maybe I not called that method, I think. Right? Okay. Sir, how sir means? Look here. Where is P2? Here. I must call the method. What is the method I given there? ob dot get user. So whenever I change a program, again you have to recompile it. Again you have to recompile. Demo user you have to recompile it and run it. Username nit.v mju672. Answer came or not? No. So that Java C minus D dot, that one you should understand. Minus D means create package. Dot means load dot class file as a member of a package. That's the meaning actually. Right. Here dot BAK will come. This dot BAK is a backup file of your Eclipse, not Eclipse, sorry, Edit Plus. You can delete that dot BAK. That is not needed actually. Right. Hope you understood manual process. In this manual process, sir, whenever I compile the program, whenever we compile the program, then the package will come. P1 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 package will P1 package will come. User dot last file. Whenever I compile the program, your P2 package will come. P2. Under this, what will come now? Demo user dot last file will come. From here to here, I return import now. I return import. While I executing the program, I return import here. Import P1 dot user. I return. All of you understood manual process? This is manual, right? So try this manual today. Once try this manual. This diagram, I'll paste it for demo purpose. I'll paste it and I'll copy the program to you. User dot Java. I'll copy it. Other one is what now? Demo user dot Java. I'll copy the two programs for you. So you practice with the command prompt once. Eclipse only easy. Anyway, you'll practice Eclipse only. For one program, you try with the command prompt for knowledge purpose. Okay, right. Right. Okay, right. Now, one small topic. When you are taking packages in your Eclipse, if you take uppercase package, error will come. Anybody observed that? Anybody observed? Right. Still anybody? Right. So there are some naming conventions. We call it as coding rules. I not given in the starting. So now I'll give it. For always I'll give in the package chapter only. Right. Make a siding. Star mark IMP. Naming conventions. Naming conventions. Naming conventions in Java. Naming conventions in Java. The coding rules. The coding rules which are followed by the programmers in writing Java programs are known as naming conventions in Java. The coding rules which are followed by the programmers in writing Java programs are known as naming conventions in Java. The coding rules which are followed by the programmers in writing Java programs are known as naming conventions in Java. Some coding standards will be there. The programmers will follow. Means when you enter into the real-time market, you should follow. In your personal practices, no need to follow. But when you are in a project part, you have to follow some rules. Like 4 or 5 rules will be there. That is, first one is about packages. How to write packages. Make it. First rule is about packages. First general definition. Package means what? Sir, package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Sir, what is the rule I should follow here? What is the rule I should follow? Packages must be in lowercase. Means you have to start with lowercase. Better you maintain a lowercase. Java.util. Util lowercase only. If you write uppercase, error will come. So packages must be in lowercase. Packages must be in lowercase. packages must be in lowercase. Classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces. I know class, sir, but interface not entered up to now. Okay, right. Definition. Classes and interfaces are collection of variables and methods. Classes and interfaces are collection of variables and methods. Variables and methods. So class also will hold variable method. Interface also variable method only. These two are common anyway. So rule. You know the rule of classes. What is the class? Starting letter must be capital. That rule is common for both class and interfaces. In classes and interfaces, the starting letter of in classes and interfaces, the starting letter of every word must be uppercase, or you can say capital letter. Example, you written withdraw, no? How you written withdraw? Withdraw. W capital, T capital. That is a rule. That is a coding standard according to real-time market. You write lowercase also, answer will come. But coding standard, every word must be in uppercase. Suppose I want to take input stream reader. I capital, S capital, R capital. That is a way of writing classes. That is a rule. All Java developers in the world will write the same rule. Coding standard. Means according to real-time market coding standard, every means in classes and interfaces, the starting letter of every word must be uppercase or capital letter. The rule is applied for both classes and interfaces. Now write. Variables and methods. Variables and methods. Definition. Variables are the data holders and methods are the actions. Methods are the actions. Methods means they do some action. Variable means they hold some data. One line I written. Variables are the data holders and the methods are the actions. And the methods are the actions. Rule. Variables and methods. One coding standard is there. I followed already. Whenever I am writing a method here, you observe that. Here, whenever I am writing a method, I written no. Get user I written. Observe this. Get lowercase, user u uppercase. Coding standard that is. First word must be in lowercase. From second word onwards, starting letter must be capital. That is the rule. Even here also, starting letter lowercase and any word is there, starting letter capital. That is a coding standard. Nothing but this is username I must take. I must take it as password I must take. But I am taking roughly P name and U name. The rule of variables and methods is starting word will be lowercase. From second word onwards, starting letter capital. Next line, L capital. Observed or not now? Next int, I capital. You observed or not observed? So next float, F capital. Next is a lowercase. And there's a coding standard actually. Coding standard according to real time is in variables and methods, the starting word must be lowercase. From second word onwards, starting letter must be uppercase or capital letter. Make a statement. In variables and methods, the first word must be in lowercase, and from second word onwards, the starting letter must be uppercase, or you can say capital letter. You can say. Suppose if you take example variables, you must take like this actually. Roll number, you must take. PAN card number, like this you have to take. Employee ID, you must take. This kind of writing is variable. Methods. Example methods. Daily you're writing no. Next line, already method. Today, get user, one method. Like this. Get EMP data, roughly. Get EMP data. This is a way of writing your methods. The starting word will be lowercase. From second word onwards, starting letter capital. That is a way of writing your variables and methods. Why I am giving notes today? Because that project flavor started, no? Project, package, you have to follow the rules. If I say in the starting also, you will not understand. So I left it. And not given reason, just you practice that class until you understand it, I left it. But today, package is coming, project is coming. So Eclipse came, means the level slowly increasing and coming. Right. The last one is keywords. In your program, many keywords will be there. Many keywords are there. Keywords means predefined words or built-in words. The predefined words, or you can say built-in words, are known as keywords. Means already available words, we call it as keywords. You can say built-in words are predefined, already available. Rule. Keywords must be in lowercase. Rule. Keywords must be in lowercase. Keywords must be in lowercase. Keywords must be in lowercase. So example keywords are in your program. Void you are writing no daily. Void is a keyword. Int is a keyword. Static is a keyword. Class is a keyword. So they're all keywords coming from the library. ... Public is a keyword. Private is a keyword. So they're all keywords. 54 minimum. 54 keywords are there for you. That is minimum. Why you are saying minimum means daily one version is not daily. Every 6 months one version will come. We don't know how many keywords are adding and coming. Like C language means 32 keywords are there. Since many years also 32 keywords only. That keyword change not available. For us, new versions, new things are going to happen. We cannot have a defined count. You can say 54 keywords minimum, you can say. All of you understood these rules? These rules for your project only. While you're writing classes, follow it. While writing packages, follow it. If you don't follow package and class rules, error will come in Eclipse. In Eclipse, sorry, your withdraw is there. Of course, next program I'll show. Already this has been typed now. If you don't follow the rule here, error will come. Package rule, if you don't follow, error will come. Withdraw class rule, if you don't follow, error will come. For methods and variable, error will not come. You have to follow the standards. The point. So this is your packages. All of you clear about package? Means, sir, I started learning one class. Class is holding variable. Class is holding method. Class is holding constructor. Class is holding block. Today, the class came under one package. The package is under one project. Right? So I am in position to create packages under project using IDE Eclipse. That's the work. Now we are moving forward. How we are moving forward means we are entering in part 2, object oriented. We are entering. Make it relations in Java. Object oriented programming part 2. Level 2 indirectly. Object oriented programming part 2. Relations in Java. Right, look here. Sir, I am constructing one class. This is C1. I am constructing one class. This is C2. Some two classes where some variable is there. Variable means two classes. Here I can write one variable. Here I can write. I'll write variable directly. A is equal to 10 is there and B is equal to 20 is there. Here one method is there, M1, and here one method is there, M2 is there. Now, here I am creating one object and here I am creating one object. And this object address on OP1 and this object address is OP2. So this I know, taking classes and doing. Okay, right. Now our question is, M1 is saying that I can access A. No issue. You can access. M2 is saying that I want to access B. No issue. You can access. Because both belongs to same class only. Now, M1 is saying, I want to access B. How? It is not possible directly. Yes or no? Na? That is separate class. This is separate class. How will go? Up to now, the class method is accessing variable of same class. You should not there. Now M1 is saying that I want to access one variable from another class. You cannot go directly. Whenever you want to go, If you want to go to that class, there must be relation between these objects, or there must be relation between these two classes. Some relation must be there, then only you can access. All of you got this point what I'm speaking? That whether the objects must be related or classes must be related. When you can have a relation between the two objects, you can do some work. If there is a relation between two classes, you can do some work. That only relations. The process of establishing communication between components. Communication between components is known as relation. Components means classes and objects. Make a statement. The process. The process of interlinking programming components, class or objects, classes or objects. The process of interlinking programming components is known as relation. Underline, interlinking programming components. There is some link between the two components. Now, sir, I want to interlink two objects. I want to interlink two objects. The concept known as references. Make it. Relations in Java. Relations in Java are categorized into three types. One, references, interlinking objects. References, interlinking objects. We are going to link the objects. No, sir, link the classes. If you link the classes, inheritance, interlinking classes, inheritance, interlinking classes. Sir, why we are keeping the class outside and linking? Why are keeping the object outside and linking? Let us keep that class inside the class, inner classes. Let us bring that class inside the class, inner classes. Let us bring that class inside the class, inner classes. Nothing but class holding class. Class holding class. Class is going to hold class. Our target is this only. Our target is this only. This is our target. Why I said this is the target means see there. We are going the course with one pattern. One process we are following and coming. Sir, here variables are there, sir. Methods are there, sir. Constructors are there, sir. Blocks are there, sir. Classes are there, sir. Interfaces are there, sir. Abstract class is there, sir. Then I drawn 2-3 times I drawn, again I am drawing. Class construction. What you done now? Sir, I brought variable, sir. I brought method, sir. I brought constructor, sir. I brought block, sir. Already variable entered. Method entered. Constructor entered. Constructor entered. And block also entered. Next, who should come now? This 4 completed means who should come now? Class. Class only should come inside, no sir. This class should come inside or not now? That is our target. You have to bring that class inside. But whenever you want to bring the class inside, first you link 2 classes and try it. Then you link 2 objects and try it. Then you bring the class inside. That is known as inner class. All of you understood these names? Right. References means what now? Interlinking objects. Inheritance means what now? Interlinking classes. After that you can say parent class, child class, that is next terminology. But developer terminology is inheritance means what you are doing as a developer. I am linking classes according to developer. According to university, parent, child, parent members will come. Child, that all university notes, 20 marks notes that is. Not needed here. Developer, what he will do? I will link 2 classes. That is inheritance. So according to developer view, the second stage is I will link class. Why this keeping the class outside and linking? Bring that class inside as a member of class. Class holding class, inner class. These 3, we are going to train it. Can I start with first one? All of you understood the chapter what I am starting? Right. Relations in Java. The process in which one object holding the reference of another object is known as references concept. The process in which one object holding the reference of another object is known as references concept, and which is also known as interlinking of objects. Interlinking of objects, which is also known as interlinking of objects. Okay. Now, advantage behind this concept. Methods of one object can use members of another object because the object holding reference of another object. Make it advantage. What is the advantage behind it? Here, M1 is saying that I want to access variable of C2. It want to access. If we can do references link now, it is possible. Now advantage, the members of one object can access the members of another object. Another object. Because the object holding reference of the members of one object can access the members of another object. Because the object holding reference of another object. The reference is here. Right. Small example, I will take it. It is linely will come. References, inheritance, under inheritance interfaces will come, then inner classes. Once you reach the inner class means you can start Advanced Java. Within 10 sessions, you will get eligibility for Advanced Java batch will come. So core Java will not be ended, parallelly Advanced Java will be started. So inner class comes means Advanced Java you can start it. Right here, see there. From now all typings are under your Eclipse. No command prompt, no edit plus. All are from your Eclipse. No command prompt, no edit plus Eclipse. I am creating one project now. Click on File, New, Project, Java. Click on Java Project, New. I am taking references application 1. I am taking references application 1. I am taking. Under references application 1, I am taking 2 packages. Under SRC, I am taking 2 packages. One package is P1 always. One package is P2. Repeat. Under P1, I am taking one class. Just now in the diagram I took C1, no, I am taking same. C1 class I am taking. Under P1, I am taking one more class, that is C2. C1 I am taking and C2 I am taking. Same, whatever the diagram I drawn there, C1, C2, same thing I am taking. Under C1, I am taking variable. So public int a is equal to 10, I am taking. Equal to 10. I am taking one method now. Public void m1 I am taking. This m1 system dot out dot println. The display is coming from m1. So we are displaying from m1, we are displaying. We can display that a variable, we can display. System dot out dot println. The value a is equal to plus a. So this m1 method can access a, no issue. I am going for C2. Here b is equal to 20, I am taking. Here public int b is equal to 20. Public void m2. Now system dot out dot println. Here m2. M2. Now system dot out dot println. The value p is equal to plus p. So here link not available. There is no link. Now according to this diagram, sir, M1 method want to access B. M1 method want to access B. Means M1 belongs to C1. The C1 object should hold address of C2. Means this one. Sir, this address must be available here. This B2 address must be available here. Yes or no? Na? So now OB1 must hold address of OB2. Then only this M1 can access B. How it holds? Directly create object here. Public class C2. OB2 is equal to new C2. Create object. Directly I am creating object or not now? Inside this. First time I am creating one object. So this is one variable holding the reference of C2. Using this OB2, we can display system dot out dot println. Println the value B, I can print it. How I'll print B? If I print B, directly error will come. How I should access now? OB2 dot B. I can access or not now? So internally one object will hold reference of another object. I'll show the diagram anyway. So here I am printing B now. M2 accessing the B variable using the address of C2. The only concept. Now C2 address available in C1. Now go to the main class once. Go to the main class. P2. You have to open the books only because 2 days time I given, I'm using Eclipse now. So I'll be using many programs. If you don't practice, you will not understand what I'm typing. Because I am closing, I am going, I am typing, I am doing or not now. Means sir is using Eclipse. I given 2 days time to you. 2 days. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I given a time to see that model. So today you do it because from now all chapters will come from here only. I'll be typing, I'll be creating, I'll be closing, I'll be running, all actions I'll do here only. Total chapters. From now to advanced Java. Total project also will do here only. Tomcat servers, HTML forms, your database queries, all will come inside. So the Eclipse is going to hold everything now. So slowly, we are going to link database also, advanced Java. We link server. We link your HTML form here, web browser. Can you see web browser? We are going to link web browser. We are going to link web browser here. Whenever we link up web browser, data will go to web browser. So all links are going to happen from this Eclipse. So we are in the starting stage. You have to practice it. Now under P2, I am creating one class. Demo reference 1. Demo reference 1. This is main class. So import P1 dot C1 I am taking because I am creating object for C1 only. If I create for object for C1, C2 also will be there. Okay, right. I am creating object for C1. C1 OB1 is equal to new C1. C1 I am creating. Using this OB1, I can access M1. I can access. How to access M2? How to access M2 now? How to access M2? Anybody got idea? Say to me. I want to access M2. M2 is available in the C2. C2 object available here. C2 object available here. This is OB2. Now, this C2 object here, C1 object is here. How will access A now? Suppose you want to access A. How will access A? OB1 dot A. You will access or not? Yes or no? Now, you had OB1 here. I will access OB1 dot OB2 dot M2. Now this OB2 is the member of OB1. Run it. Answer will come. I'll show it. Immediately the reflection will not come to you. We know already. But I'm accessing M2 using OB2. OB2 belongs to OB1. Means what? OB2 is a member of OB1. Means what? Two objects are linked. OB1, OB2 linked already. If I want to access OB2, I'm accessing with OB1. Means OB1 holding OB2, OB2 holding M2. So through M1, I'm calling the B variable also. M2 I'm calling B. That is a different issue. Output. Anyway, this program you type and come. Decoding I'll do tomorrow. Decoding means diagram decoding I'll do. Then the clarity will come. Okay, right. So I took a project name as references application 1. Under P1, I am taking C1.java. Under P2, under P1, I am taking C2.java. Under P2, I am taking demo reference1.java. This is one main class I am taking, and this is the output. And whatever the diagrams I drawn here, the diagrams I'll paste here once. These diagrams I'll paste here for notes purpose. I'll paste it. This program clarity you will get by tomorrow, not today, because diagram will come. It takes 20 minutes time to draw the diagram. After that, I'll write the second program. Then the clarity will come. Then assignment will be given. Okay, right. Concept is small thing only. One object is going to hold reference of another object. What is the advantage means? Members of one object can use the members of another object. It is going to use it. That concept we call it as references. Tomorrow you'll get the clarity on it. Take a break. Notes updated no yesterday. Right. Okay. Thank you very much for today. I'll update the notes now. You practice and come. Next project is there. తర్వాత స్టిల్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు స్టిల్ పోయిన తర్వాత బ్రేక్ బ్రేక్ అంటే తర్వాత బ్రేక్ బయట బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది ఓకే సార్ అంటే ఒక బ్రేక్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ లోపలికి వస్తారు బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది ఇంట్లో బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది రన్ అవుతుంది రన్ మళ్ళీ లోపలికి వస్తుంది వస్తుంది సార్ బిజినెస్ చేయడం మనకు ల్యాప్టాప్ పంపిండి మన స్ట్రెంత్ తగ్గేదాకా ఎర్రర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కంపెనీలలో ట్రై చేస్తారు రెడ్ మార్క్స్ తీసేయాలి ఎక్లిప్స్ ఇది తప్పు టైప్ చేస్తున్నావు కదా క్రియేట్ పెట్టి క్రియేట్ ఏంటి కొట్టే వాటి నేమ్ ఏది ఇదేనా ఫినిష్ కొట్టా వెళ్ళి ముందు కానీ నో అని కొట్టు నీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అది ఓపెన్ చేయి ఏంటి మీకు అసలు యారీ వస్తలేదమ్మా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి
ఏ వర్షం
నోట్స్ చూడలేదా
నోట్స్ లో
నోట్స్ లో ఏమని రాస్తుంది డౌన్లోడ్ ఐడి ఎక్లిప్స్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ జావా అండ్ వెబ్ డెవలపర్స్
తీసారు.
అసలు జారీ వస్తలేదమ్మా జారీ లేదు కదా రాదు ఏది రాసి చూసినా నీకు ఎర్ర వస్తా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒక్క నిమిషం ఎందుకంటే క్లాస్ 11 కదా 10 నిమిషాల ముందు సార్ ఏమో డౌట్ చెప్పమంటే మీరేమో బాగుంటారు అరే ఏమో చెప్తారు 10 నిమిషాలు టైం ఉంది కదా సార్ ఏమో డౌట్ అంటారు మీరేమో టైం అంటారు పరిశ్రమాలు అయిపోయింది 11 వరకు కాకపోతే 2 నిమిషాలు ఇది రావాలమ్మా జారీ కనబడతలేదు
రాకుండా మళ్ళీ డిలీట్ చేస్తాం.
అంటే మీరు తప్పు చేశారు వేరే వర్క్ స్పేస్ తీసుకొని ట్రై చేయండి రాకపోతే తీసేసి వేరే ఎక్లిప్స్ వేసుకోండి మీరు ఎస్ఏ ఎక్లిప్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నారు జేఆర్ఈ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వాలమ్మా ఏముంది మీ జేఆర్ఈ ఏముంది నీకు జెడీకే ఏముంది
17 నోట్స్
17 ఇది రావాలమ్మా జేఆర్ఈ రావాలి జేఆర్ఈ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి ఏదో డౌన్లోడ్ చాలా ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి మీకు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ జావా ఫర్ వెబ్ డెవలపర్స్ అని ఉంటుంది మీకు నోట్స్ లో రాసాను సెలెక్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే జేఆర్ఈ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ వస్తుంది దానికంటే బిఫోర్ మీ జేఆర్ఈ జెడీకే 17 ఉండాలి మీకు అది రాకపోతే ఒకసారి పైకి వెళ్ళి తెచ్చుకోండి డెలిట్ చేసి వేరే తెచ్చుకోండి జేఆర్ఈ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతానే ప్యాకేజెస్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది